Alright guys, we're watching the fireworks now.
Now we just got done with whatever this thing
Carousel, Dylan.
Carousel.
It's not carousel, wheel. Carousel. Well, merry-go-round. And
We're
you
going
can,
to the haunted house after this.
yeah.
Or the pig, since it's like right there.
No, we don't want to go on pig, Payne.
This is the best.
You weren't even on the pigs.
You guys were
Payne, you could have still went on.
Isn't this going on your YouTube page?
Yes.
Yeah. Chat.
Well,
Stop.
Payne, we've been arguing.
This is not Sigma. Chat.
There's Payne.
And it hurt my ears.
Don't Sigma.
Whoa. Chat.
I'm Sigma. Payne's not Sigma.
Yeah, you say that.
Yeah, Payne.
Whoa.
Payne, you know what Sigma
Chat,
means?
where's that at?
It means you're popular.
Chat, where's that at?
But I'm almost at 3,000. On us? Oh, nice. Yeah, Nebraska's playing. I'm pretty sure they're winning 10-17.
Chat, I don't know what the score is. Pow.
Hey, what's the score? Hey, what's the score?
Buddy, what's the score?
10-17.
Just give me my money, yeah!
Just give me our money.
Yeah!
Daddy, say, just give me our money.
Just give me the money.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Mommy.
Samantha, go!
Mommy, go.
Go!
Yeah. Okay, not you.
Just give me my
No.
Here we go. Watch this one. Watch.
Yeah. I'm just kidding.
Wow! Chat, did you feel that?
Offside
Yes.
defense.
Whoa.
Is this what it would sound like? Or this is what I feel like?
I think it's the finale, maybe. Because I'm probably gonna do one more vlog, then I'll be done. There's some people. I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos. Probably gonna be posting around like 11 videos.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Wow!
'Cause we did a lot of rides. We did a merry-go-round twice.
Did you record the,
Wow!
Record what, Peyton?
Tumblr?
No, I didn't.
Second and 8.
Okay, count up.
All right.
Train ride went fast today.